MP jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency na ka Voice of the People's Party VPP Dr. Ricky AJ Sangkon habayok banyi simentaha ka dorbar hapok parliament sementara kesngi ulawan ra ya ka kantin high level ka ba ka ju ekren baha hapok ka jelam Meghalaya da ka baong ba ka jing khayi tu lane ka jing khayi bi an ya udewyong balale da kita ki high levels hapok ka jelam Meghalaya walada ka sorkar India kala de bankang ya kane ka jing shalan ya udewyong Handrei hapok ka jalan Meghalaya lasu jalan bi anya udewyong da kita ki high level ki baki khot hapok ka jalan Meghalaya
माननीय रिकी एंड्रयू सिंह कौन
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, for allowing me to speak. Madam, the future, whether good or bad, depends on our action today. On this note, I would like to, through you, Madam Speaker, to remind that in 2014, NGT had imposed a ban on mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. However, it is very unfortunate that till today there are a group of people known in our state as high level who have continuously and blatantly violated this ban, and even the government machinery which is supposed to ensure the enforcement of this ban have failed miserably to enforce this ban. And the leading newspaper of Meghalaya, Shillong Times, dated 26/3/2025, reported that more than 1.92 lakh metric tons of illegal coal have been detected